Senior Vitality Hub understands that as we age, our eyes are exposed to various stressors, from increased screen time to environmental pollutants and even lifestyle diseases like diabetes. These factors contribute to a condition known as chronic pro-inflammatory environment, where the body experiences ongoing inflammation. In the eyes, CPE can damage the optic nerve, retinal cells, and other critical structures. Exploring natural solutions to support eye health provides benefits for vision care.